Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Subscribe. Yeah man, peace with the again pan, you know. Yeah man. So one duck. That's swimming night and thing. Yeah man, peace with the again pan side, you know. So make sure we have to do because boy last week sun come. The sun that mashed me up. Yeah man, the sun already out already, so what I want to do today, I just catch 2 fish, I don't know. See me can roast up on the pan side same way. Hopefully the rain fall because it had drew this morning, so that's why I come so late. Yeah man, so hopefully I can roast up on the pan side. If not, the next day at home with the bros them, you see me? Yeah man, I don't want to catch a girl I can give my grandmother again. You don't know, say sharing is caring, you must always share. Yeah, so peeps, remember, give it a like, share it out and all that. And make sure to subscribe if you're new. Big enough. Subscribe. Get me to 1K before this month finish. Yeah man, so stick and stay peeps. So when I see what I go on, so as soon as I catch, I'll show them what I go on, so soon come back. Look the peeps, it's why good we have nice big van, good for off-roading. Yeah man, look on them bush I come through. Right there so. Yes peeps, so I walk out to this spot now, you know. So you have a worm already in the bucket here. Yeah man, right this one I'm all peeps, but walk down there so. Down there is so nice and new spot. Yeah man. One thing do a bush them high. See, pan full of a bush. Yeah man, so soon checking back. First one that. Now open it. I always go feed, because I come in shots. First catch for the day. They're nice. They're pretty. Cheers. Yeah man, peace, so it's like it, you know? Yeah man. So far, almost half bucket. Pick good man. How you do your catch? Alright peeps, so I'll go back down our original spot because right there so when I get no pick and when I do get pick then spit out the hook. So we have some in here so some live on the back here home, so I throw them now in container we have in the van. So when we reach and I throw them out, I'm checking back peeps. You man see them here, as we say. Alright people, so I'm not going to fish them right now on the pan side. So basically ready now, yeah man, and I don't have a cameraman, so that's why I don't really catch much personally. I do most of the catching and me just video him. So the few I catch it off camera because I don't have anybody to hold the camera for me. Yeah man, so tomorrow also mounted the cook up just put some fire paper and roast for the browser, you know? Yeah man, so you just eat and enjoy yourself. So when you can stick it in for that and when I don't catch, I show you the catch. So soon come back guys. I'm gonna try to fish them come back. Yeah man peeps, so a little container this, you know? Half a drum. Yeah, water. So I push them under the bottom guys, so me can take up. See? That one here, how like him over there though? Him weak. That one there weak. That one here too, that one weak too. So I can be side dead, that one dead too. But the live ones them hard to catch, so yeah man, so when I reach home and I throw at them, when we see when we get live from my dead. Yeah, so if I don't need to see him here, I go and show. You see him there? So come back and don't catch now, because when we're done, we finish because we get no fish. But that bucket, yeah man, so when he come, we show the catch. So we'll come back peeps. Yeah man peeps, so we're going here now. See there, half bucket of fish right now, and enough scale in this. I will catch them for all day. Yeah? Yeah, catch, but by scaling part, really difficult. So I get to skin them because I cook some for dinner right now. I don't know, can carry some. See? She said them peeps. Said no, say each person can get 3 fish. Because about 3 of them weigh a pound. Some of them are 2, because it's about a pound. Yeah, so some of them are 3 to the pound, some of them are 2 to the pound. Yeah man guys, so them big ones go through bush easy. Yeah man. Take time! Alright guys, so them are all the fish we ever use, you know. We have a tool with jaguar right here, so, and the red tilapia them. Yeah man, so time of season up. We don't know Maggi have purpose, fish season, and we have some natural urban spices. Now this like pimento and them things grind up. I don't remember everything we grind up now this peeps. Right? And so we season here, we season them. We have the carrot, a vegetable, you know. We have pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, sweet pepper, and all that. Yeah. So that's all I'm using the curry fish today. So time now, we can season up. And so guys, so your peas here already cooked and all that. So time now to add in the rice. So you don't know, rice and peas and curry fish. Yeah man. So yeah man peeps, I now can get for do the fire pepper roast fish in the video because a bearing. You see me, so I might do it on the next video. Right now I came to do the camping video because of bearing. I don't know say on a good idea. We dip on the riverside and we're in a fall because anything can happen. You can come down and all that, so you know safe. So when the rain done, we do the camping video. Cause actually we have everything for it already, you know. We have fish in the fridge from last week, already freeze up in a Ziploc bag, ready and waiting. Yeah man. And guys, I want to go over young girl can cook. Yeah man. Just go over young girl can cook and subscribe to our channel. Yeah man. Show the support. I'll leave the link to our channel in the description and pin in the comment section. So just go over young girl can cook and subscribe. Guys, a bad chef. Big chef. Yeah man, so just do right man and stay tuned. Remember, like the video, share it out. Everybody who thinks that interested, put the link on the video here and subscribe for new. Yeah man guys, so I go on there. So I give the curry and the coconut milk a few minutes to cook and then I add in the fish because I don't know say the curry and the coconut milk take a time, you know, and we don't want to run belly business. So when I cook, make sure I fish and then this is what I go on when everything done. So next time you see me, or when time everything done. Yeah man peeps, so See food here, and 2 fish here. Yeah. Rice just like I like it, not too shelly. No body. Yeah man, so taste test time now. Yeah man guys, so I tell you now if it tastes what I want, you know. Rice nice. I must say, just the way I like it. Not too shelly. Just a body and nice. I like it in rice shelly.
What are you eating?
Nice. So peeps, I'll catch you now in our next video. So like the video, leave in a comment and tell me what you think about the video. Also share it out and all that. Make sure you send the share it, you know, because we need to make people know about the channel and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, you see me. Also follow me on Instagram, Jeff876, and Yes Adventures. The link for the page them down below in the description. And also remember, go over and follow, subscribe to Young Girl Can Cook. Again, I'll leave the link to our channel down below in the description and pin in the comment section. So just do it right man. So catch you now in our next video people. Look more.